I'm André. I work at JTI in the Reduced Risk Department. So there's typically going to be two things you need to concede on. One is that your idea is not the best. They find a better way to do it. And two, the price that you expected to pay is higher, and you'll need to concede to that. First piece of advice I'll give you is be patient. Multinationals are slow. Secondly, there's no taboo question. Push them. Don't be afraid to push them on what they believe in, why they want to work with you, and what they want to achieve. I'd say the most important one is you don't want to go in alone. You want to go in with someone that will have credibility for them. Either a business owner from your company or somebody from the ecosystem like a VC or an incubator.